Good morning to all of you. Recently, Honorable Supreme Court of India held that if property is damaged due to the fire accident, maybe some offenders may have transgressed into the factory and they wanted to steal the windings in which the transformer was burnt and damage was caused. If the damage was caused due to the loss by fire accident, the proximate cause or cause of fire accident may not be of much value, may not be relevant. The insurance company has to shell down. That means the insurance company has to so-called indemnify the loss. In the case of CCI, Cement Corporation of India versus ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company, civil appeal number 2052 by 2016 on 16/12/2025. For details, see my full video. Thank you.